Installation tutorial video. Items in the box. Front panel, rear panel, latch, screws, keys, screw tubes, latch strike plate, box. Attention, make sure the size is right before installation. If the size is different from the size mentioned in this picture, please contact Relihom support before installation. If the door thickness is from 35 to 45 millimeters, you can install the front panel directly. If the door thickness is from 46 to 55 millimeters, please remove screw tubes on the front panel first and then install the longer screw tubes on the front panel. Remove the battery cover of the rear panel. Remove the fixing screws and remove the installation plate. Install the latch. Attention! Make sure the vertical center line of black hole is aligned to the vertical center line of the door hole. If it likes this, please remove the latch. Rotate the lock body clockwise and then pull out the plate and then rotate the lock body anti-clockwise. Attention! After rotation, this button should be changed to this location. Install the latch and fix it with screws. Attention! Use a screwdriver to test the latch. Make sure the latch can extend and retrieve smoothly. Attention! Before installing the lock, make sure the latch is retrieved. Install the front panel. Attention! Make sure the cable pass under the latch. Otherwise the latch might break the cable after installation. Make sure the tailpiece of the lock pass through the black hole of the latch. Pass the cable through the installation plate first. Fix the installation plate with screws. Attention! Make sure the installation plate is parallel to the door edge. Connect the power cable. Attention! Make sure to rotate the manual knob to the unlock position. Place cables into the door hole. Place the tailpiece into the hole of the back lock, like the right photo. Fix the rear panel with screws. Install 4 pieces AA batteries. Make sure they are high performance and new. Long press 5 seconds to reset the smart lock before adding to the app. Installation is completed. Now you can follow up the tutorial video about operation and add it to the app. We are always here to help you. Any questions? Contact Relihom support.